Hey everybody, it's Joric. Welcome back. I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. Today I wanted to make a quick video just letting you know that Portugal looks like they're working on a high-speed rail that will connect Lisbon and Porto and be able to get you from Lisbon to Porto or Porto to Lisbon in a little over an hour. And for those of you that are here or have vacation in Portugal, you may go, well, wait a second, don't they already have a high-speed train, the Alpha Pendular, which they do. But what they're mentioning here in some recent articles is that just the capacity, they need more, or they need a dedicated, maybe high-speed rail line. So I wanted to show you here, it's not something that's going to be rolled out anytime soon, but they're working on it. So in phases, I wanted you to see what's going to be completed when. So if you're contemplating a move to Portugal, or if you've recently moved, or if you're just coming for a holiday or vacation in the future, so several years from now, you're going to be able to have this line that's going to be, I'll call it a bullet train. I don't know if it's necessarily true compared to, let's say, the Japanese bullet trains, but it will be faster than the Alpha Pendular. And I will say, for those of you that are looking to get from Porto to Lisbon to the Algarve, one of those three destinations, and you want to do it by train, the best way right now is the Alpha Pendular, because it is the high or highest speed train that offers you service to those three areas of Portugal. So I'd highly recommend getting the ticket. And what they're also saying here is that so this train, when the rail line gets completed and they're actually working, it's going to cost about 25 euros. And I don't know how they can anticipate that being in the future, what they think that's going to be. But that's actually less than what it costs right now. We've gone to the Algarve, I'd say half the time it's the Alpha Pendular, half the time it's not. Same thing for Porto. It's not that we're choosing to get there fast. It's more of what our schedule works with and what the Alpha Pendular right now works with as far as the timing of when we can get to one place or the other. But in the future, if you fly into Lisbon, you want to get up to Porto, or if you want to do a day trip, or you're in Porto and you want to get down to Lisbon, to be able to do it in an hour, a little over that, is fantastic. So that's something that hopefully we're looking forward to. And the timing of things as far as the scheduling goes according to plan. With any type of government project in any place on the planet, sometimes they'll say it's going to be ready by 2026, and then all of a sudden it's 2028 and people are wondering what happened. But hopefully this is really good news, because if you're looking for train travel, oftentimes people move to Portugal and say, hey, yeah, we can take trains to get we can go all the way to, let's say, Rome or Greece or Istanbul. It's not as easy. The trains in Portugal are really good, but just for Portugal, trying to connect into Spain, not as many options, and it's difficult. So sometimes train travel, I'll say both in Portugal and Spain, although Spain has a really good train system, getting to and from is something that I think they're also looking at some projects where there can be a high-speed train or more train routes from, let's say, Madrid to Lisbon or Porto, to be able to get more accessibility into more central and other Eastern European countries. But for the time being, this is really good news, and let's hope the project goes off and as scheduled, and that would be great for all of us that are living here, those of you looking to move, and for those of you down the road in the coming years looking to vacation. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video, and enjoy your travels.